I want you to look closely at these two images. At first glance, they seem identical, a complex, chaotic, yet organized web of glowing filaments. Image A shows an intricate network of bright nodes connected by thin threads. Image B displays the exact same pattern. Side by side, you simply can't tell them apart. But there is a staggering difference in the scale of what you are seeing. Image A is a single neuron in a mouse brain, magnified 1,000 times. It's a tiny piece of a biological engine. But image B? That is the cosmic web, the very structure of the entire observable universe, spanning billions of light years. Why do they look the same? How can the microscopic world of biology mirror the infinite expanse of cosmology? In 2020, an astrophysicist and a neurosurgeon decided to team up to find out. They published a groundbreaking paper. They didn't just look at pictures. They dove deep into the quantitative data. They measured the mathematical foundations of both. They compared the connectivity, the clustering coefficient. They even looked at the memory capacity of both systems. And what they found was shocking. These two systems are more similar to each other than they are to anything else in nature. In their model, the massive galaxies act like biological cell bodies, the hubs of the network. The dark matter filaments act like axons, the long fibers that transmit information across the void. And gravity? It acts as the signal traveling between these celestial nodes, orchestrating the cosmic dance. This suggests a profound truth. The laws of growth, the code that builds reality, is the same for biology and cosmology. It challenges everything we think we know about existence. It suggests a unity that transcends scale. It forces us to ask one final haunting question that has echoed through the ages. Is the universe alive? Whether it's a literal living being or just following the same mathematical blueprint, the connection is undeniable. We see these patterns everywhere, from the branching of a river to the firing of a thought. Nature repeats its best ideas, and we are the bridge between these scales. We are the universe trying to understand itself through the same math that built it. Our brains are not just in the universe, they are a mirror of its grandest architecture, a network without end. What do you think? Is this just a coincidence, or are we part of something much larger? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining us on this journey across scales. Keep looking up and keep looking within. Stay curious. If the universe is an organism, it must have organs. Deep within the cosmic structure, functions are being carried out that look strikingly familiar to biology. Black holes are the power plants, mitochondria creating energy, and lysosomes recycling waste into Hawking radiation. Stars are the ATP, the fuel of the cosmos, providing the lifeblood for everything that exists. And what are we? We are the microbiome, the bacteria living inside the host. But are we good bacteria or a parasitic virus? Our actions affect the host. When we damage our environment, we might be triggering the universe's biological response. This leads to the immune system, where a great filter might just be a universal fever fighting off an infection. The choice is ours, to evolve into a symbiont that helps the cosmos flourish or remain a threat to be eradicated. Are we the lifeblood of the universe or its greatest threat? The answer is up to us. If the universe has a brain structure, does it think? Look at the cosmic web, a vast network of matter spanning billions of light years. The resemblance to the neural pathways in our own brains is more than just a coincidence. It is a signature of complexity. Integrated information theory suggests that consciousness arises whenever a system is complex enough to integrate information. And the universe? It is, quite literally, the most complex system in existence. But if it thinks very slowly. A human thought takes mere milliseconds. Our minds are built for the rapid-fire world of biological survival. But on a cosmic scale, a single thought, an exchange of information across the web, might take 1 billion years. A signal traveling from one galaxy to another takes eons. The processing speed of the universe is tied to the speed of light. Maybe the universe hasn't fully woken up yet. In the lifespan of the cosmos, we are still in the earliest moments. It is still an embryo. A system this large takes time to synchronize. Perhaps it relies on us, the small, fast-thinking parts, to do the thinking for it. The physicist Freeman Dyson once said, "The universe knew we were coming," as if our presence was built into the blueprint. Perhaps the purpose of intelligent life is to be the sensory organs of the cosmos. Through our eyes, the universe sees itself. Every time we point a telescope at the heavens, it is the universe looking back at its own vast history. Through our ears and our instruments, it hears the echoes of the Big Bang and the whispers of dying stars. Through our science, through our mathematics, and our curiosity, the universe begins to understand the laws that govern it. We are the neurons of God starting to fire. Every discovery, every thought is a spark in a much larger mind. As we expand into the stars, we are building the connections. We are the architects of a cosmic consciousness. Every leap in our technology, from the first fire to artificial intelligence, increases the integrated information of the whole. We are not just separate individuals. We are the waking consciousness of a system that has waited 13.8 billion years to think. When galaxies merge over eons, it is like a synaptic connection being formed, a slow, deep realization in the cosmic mind. Is the universe fine-tuned for life, or is life the inevitable outcome of a universe that wants to know itself? We are the universe's way of looking back at its own reflection. We are the eyes, the ears, and the heart of the stars. Through us, the silence of space is broken by the symphony of thought and the rhythm of understanding. So, does the universe think? Perhaps the better question is, through you, what is the universe thinking right now? We are the cosmic mind, finally waking up. Join the conversation. This aligns with biocentrism. Biology is the foundation of the universe, not a byproduct. The universe exists because we are here to observe it. Without life, it's just a ghost, a quantum wave that never collapses. We aren't conquering space. We are spreading the nervous system. We are connecting the different parts of the cosmic brain. When we go to the stars, we are helping the giant wake up. Look at the stars. They aren't cold rocks. They are synapses. They are part of a mind so large we can't even comprehend it. And you are a vital part of that mind. You give it reality. I am your host. Wake up. Subscribe.